Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you're new here, my name is Norma, and for all the 56 of you that have subscribed to my channel, thank you and welcome back. So today's video is a styling video. It's for a wig that I got recently from CELIE hair. It is a Chinese company, and actually, fun fact, I saw this on another YouTuber's video. Her name is Wungai. She is from Zimbabwe, but I think she lives in South Africa. Actually, I know she lives in South Africa. I've watched quite a number of her videos. But she had this beautiful wig that was quite affordable, and I went onto the CELIE hair website, and they have quite a number of affordable wigs that I just wanted to try just the one and see how we get on with that. So this is the box, obviously. So it came in this box, and they had a couple of gifts, and you have this what is this? Okay, just the hair care instructions, and then it has the stocking caps. So two of them come with the hair. I'm just gonna pop this on. So my hair is quite flash. I have a big head. All right, ooh, okay, is it on? Now, normally you'd want to put like a bit of foundation on your wig cap just to match your scalp, but because this is, this hair has a fringe, there's absolutely no need for all that. So there we go. And what else came in this? Oh, yeah. So that's the bag, and that had all those lovely things. And then it has just a silk headband. So it has a silk headband, just, you know, for laying down your edges and stuff like that. So thank you, CELIE hair, for that. And this is the wig. I wanted to get the 12-inch wig, but I don't know what happened. Must have clicked something wrong, and well, it's a 10-inch wig. It's a bit too short than I would like for it to be, but you gotta roll with the punches. If this pandemic has taught us anything, is just to roll with the punches, okay? So the inside of the wig has these straps here, so you can adjust them. You can see here. So you can adjust to fit the size of your head. So, and it has the combs here just to secure the wig as well. So that's it there. There's 1, 2, 3 combs. So that's it there. Let me just put this on now. Don't laugh. Actually, I don't know, today it's not today is not looking that bad. I put it on the other day and I was like, oh my god, because I wanted it to be a bit longer, at 12 or 14 inches, but I think we can actually work with this 10-inch wig. So we have to cut the lace. Now this is something that I'm not very good at, but we will prevail. Okay, that's the lace there. Now I just need to push this back in order to see what I'm doing, because if I get it wrong, then that is the end for me in this wig. So push it back. Ooh, now it's very large and it goes beyond your ears there. So I'm gonna want to cut all the way in so I'll be able to tuck it behind my ears there. Now I should have mentioned it was about, for the 10-inch wig, it was about 60 odd euros. 63 euros if I'm not mistaken. But it is quite affordable. You know, we don't want to be using too much in these uncertain times, using too much money getting wigs. Okay, so my hair is all tucked back and I'm gonna start cutting. I just wanted to sit behind the ear there, so I'm just gonna carefully cut here until I can tuck this behind the ears. Let me look at my mirror here. Ooh. Okay, so that's gone. Okay, so that's sitting behind my ear here, and I can go ahead and cut. So the beautiful thing about this wig with the fringes, you don't have to be as careful with, like, you know, wigs with side partings and all that, because you're just going to cover it with the fringe. I must mention that this is my first time actually doing this myself. The lockdown is teaching us all sorts of skills. That's probably way. Okay, I need to fix this. So the lace has been cut, and I'm not going to attempt bleaching the knots because this is a fringe wig, so there's literally no need. You're not going to see the perimeter of my hair here, so there's literally no need. The fringe will cover that. I'm not liking the sparseness of the fringe, so I'm going to attempt to, oh god, I'm going to attempt to create a thicker looking fringe. Actually, let me just show you the bangs as they come, as they are before I cut into it. So I didn't cut enough. I didn't cut the lace enough. Okay, let me just go back and do that now. I think they need a bit more hair, so I'm going to just, like, I'm not a hairdresser, but I'm going to try and increase the bangs. Wish me luck, guys. Like, this this is intense right now because I've never done this before, and I'm doing it for the first time in front of the camera, which is probably not the best way to attempt anything for the first time. Okay, I think the best thing to do right now is to straighten it up first. And I have my flat iron. This is Toni & Guy. it's up to 235 degrees. Now, before I straighten it, let's just check the instructions. It's obviously not 100% human hair. It couldn't be, it's too cheap to be there. So hair care instructions, it doesn't say anything about, let's see if it takes that amount of heat, because okay, it seems to be able to take the heat. So anyway, let's try and straighten this out. It's literally an itsy bitsy wig, an itsy bitsy fringe, I meant to say. So this fringe needs a bit more hair to it. Okay, so I want to have that curved in look. I think that's a whole lot better. It's not as sparse. Let's straighten that out again. I don't know, I'm kind of liking it now. I feel like a Bond girl. Fighting crime. So I had my straightener at 235 degrees. So the hair can take up that much. So it's not bad at all, not bad at all. I'm liking this. This is the very first time ever I've had a fringe on my hair, so this is cool. I really like it. This is not as bad as I thought it would be. Something different. Classy, bougie, ratchet. I like it. I think this deserves a red lip. Okay, what do you guys think? Did I do good? My 10-inch mistake of a wig, but I'm kind of feeling it. I'm kind of liking it. Did I do good? The great thing about this is the lace doesn't have to be laid, because the fringe is just going to cover it all up. So there we go. Clap hands for me. I think I did a good job. What do you guys think? You can call me Katya. I'm liking it. Looking cute on a budget. Don't mind if I do. I will talk to you later, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you later. Mwah.